it do? It's your boy Manny Brush coming back with another video. And today's video, like I said in the last one, we have delayed W's. I don't take L's. We take delayed W's. I don't know what an L is, but somehow on this release I took an L. Well, I took a delayed W. Let's not say. At the time I was pissed and everything, but this we got an unboxing straight out of Finish Line. A Finish Line restock from All-Star Weekend. But you know, your boy's been on fire lately. I got 2 more unboxings coming through, so stay tuned. I may do a first ever double unboxing on this channel. That's how much of a baller I am nowadays. But shout out to Finish on these. They restocked. This was a delayed W. Y'all know what it is. Y'all see the box? They gave us 9 papers. Dear Emmanuel, we would like to offer you a sponsorship. What? No, I'm kidding. Yeah, but Finish Line, if you're trying to do that, you know, you can help your boy out. This is all basura. But y'all see the box, Jordan 3. Let me tell you how it went down. When they released on Saturday, your boy wanted the cheap way, had a coupon, but then I realized the coupon wasn't working, and they got sold out. And I knew, or at least I hoped, there was going to be a restock because the Jordan 11s have been running wild on restocks. So I just waited and waited like the opportunist I am, and when they popped up, I took advantage and copped my pair. You know, everybody loves these. The hype on these are crazy. I like them, but I don't think the hype is crazy like that for me. I'd rather mess with the white cement. White cement 3s or white cement 4s. I'll take the white cement 4s over the 3s any day of the week. But you got the black cement 3s. I have a lot of 3s. I should do like a 3s collection video, because I have a lot. Oh look, actually some of the finish. This came from St. Louis, Missouri. You know, I should keep the receipt, right? Because I'm going to be a reseller. These have restocked so much they have no value. But there are other shoes that will be resold. Yeah, but these shoes are clean. Shout out to Finish on these. Stay tuned, honestly, stay tuned for the review and on feet. It is a little late, but these are restocking so much. So if you see them on my channel when you review them and you want them, take advantage. And restock ain't even that much. I think it's like 230, 245, 30, 40 over retail. Ain't that bad. I won't spend the money on that, but if you really want them, sometimes you gotta do what you got to do. So y'all seen it here. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Road to 1K, we coming for you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Men Fresh. Ow!